Hey guys, we're going to be looking at crypto staking guide 2021 DeFi. So we're going to be reviewing this article, looking at some of the major pecs here, what you should know, and there are loads of them. So we'll just be picking out some of the basics. So in 2020, it can be viewed as a year of DeFi. And then an honorable mention must be made of the central role of cryptocurrency staking played in the ascent of this new generation of crypto assets. So there's exponential growth of crypto staking. The industry witnessed a steady rise and oftentimes a surge in the number of users staking crypto or earning fixed interest or yield farming rewards as the number of miners on proof of work blockchain slowly began to dwindle. The market leading Bitcoin excluded, of course. So in fact, with Binance, Coinbase, UB, and major exchanges offering APY services to their users with APY going up to 30% on Binance, for instance, it is no longer that they now hold humongous amounts of staked crypto. Meanwhile, the total assets staked on Binance Smart Chain is about 15 million 549,281 BNB as of 18/13/2021. This is equivalent to about $6.1 billion. Furthermore, the total value locked TVL, which measures the value of assets staked in DeFi protocols, is about 36.59 billion as of September 13th, 2021. So this is a true testament to the demand of staking. So now looking at what crypto staking is, crypto staking is an activity where users get to lock up their funds in a cryptocurrency wallet to participate in maintaining the operations of a proof of stake based blockchain system. So it is similar to crypto mining in the sense that it helps a network achieve consensus while rewarding users who participate in it. So in the staking, the right to validate transactions backed into how many coins are locked inside a wallet. However, just like mining on a POW platform, stakers are incentivized to find a new block or add a transaction on the blockchain. So apart from incentives, POS blockchain platforms are scalable and have high transaction speed. So mining versus staking. So the main difference between mining and staking is the underlying blockchain consensus mechanism used to validate transactions. So mining is used for proof of work, most notably in BTC. So meanwhile, staking is mainly used for proof of stake, such as in Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum shift from POW to POS and consensus mechanism. So you want to know this part. So now looking at what you can stake, there are loads of crypto assets you can stake, loads of them. Currently have them on Binance platform. You want to check out staking on Tezos, staking on Agorand. There are loads of them, guys. So I'll be dropping the link to Binance in the description box, so you can also get access to these staking opportunities. So guys, I hope this is helpful to you. I'll be dropping the link to this article. If you have any specific questions, go over to the comment section. Let us know. We'll try as much as possible to attend to you in the shortest due possible time. So it's your boy Keys. Peace out. Stay tuned for more. One love, and see you in a future upload, guys.